You never know. But we're letting loose. Now, as you saw with the MT, most of the time, it's here, most of the time he spends on two wheels. They're either at the side or at the back of the wheels. So this is a quad, 450cc, single cylinder, with double tires on, which are wearing very unevenly. Statement that in the warranty it says it's not very easy. Here we go, really time. What's disturbing about this one is you actually can't see look down at the front. If you notice when you go up in the air, here we go, go like that, you can't actually see over the front. So here we go, go on Dave. It is very good of them to let us do this actually on the roundabout car park. And this museum here is the best kept building I've seen in years. It's absolutely immaculate and they're just leaving time like another wheeler, but they're more than happy. So if it's not doing two-wheel riding on the back, as in the unit, on the side like that, check that out. Come on, give it a cheer a round of applause. That's sort of stuff. It makes it look really easy as well, doesn't it? Go on Dave, all the way. Superb stuff. And if you look at the contact point of that back wheel, it's literally very, very good. Well, when we got here, we didn't think we had enough room to do this, but it's fantastic. He's enjoying himself as well, which is a good thing, and I'll shoot you guys out as well. That's the idea. That's that. It's his less preferred side for getting it up on two wheels, so it's a lot more difficult. There we go, come on Dave, all the way, beautifully done, stunning, awesome stuff. And now you can't see over the car. And there's Graham up the other end, one of the truck drivers, taking his picture. And that's why we have Dave in the black visor and everything, because he is very frightening. He's got very ugly, very savage. Yeah, the pits. He goes in bikes around like a lunatic. Would you believe he's the ambassador for motorcycle road safety in Durham? Oh, nearly Dave. What he's trying to do then is get on one side of the bike and balance it. Real hard trick. And not easy when it looks like he's having a little bit of trouble with the fall. So just round the tip over up somewhat, so that when he does this little trick, it just runs a little bit quicker. Here we go. Come on then. It's struggling a bit. That's a shame. What is dog rider and sun rider who can do this. And it's two wheels on the side, so that's him balancing like you've seen, and then he's going to try and get a wheelie. Shush. I'm going to try and get a wheelie out of it. Here we go. So two wheels. Let's see. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Yeah. No, to be fair, we got a tweet from the kangaroo kid saying that he liked the fact that he got a mention and so on, and Dave's having a go at this. Here we go, check it out, and I want a big chin if he does it. Here we go, come on, check it out. Yeah! It is absolutely amazing, this. I think what we need to do, I think we need to get behind you. So come on, all the kids here. Cheer him on. Come on, Dave, get the wheelie. Yes, 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 yes. That's more like it. Absolutely. The real truth is, he wouldn't go away until he got it right. Could have been here till next Wednesday, to be honest. Because once he's having to go on the trick, he wants to get it right. Absolutely. Don't go back. They want me to go on the clock, and I don't like it because, no, seriously. Right, you don't want to be high flying, you don't need something to watch. It's dodges from Darlington. lovely Rachel. By all means do so. No problem at all. Why not? And then obviously, I should remind you of all the various things. If you like the idea of having a go at a wheelie, unfortunately you can't have a go